Have you ever observed how remarkably successful individuals tend to appear to be, merely enjoying their time in your neighborhood? The truth isn't that they possess incredible luck. It's more likely that it's their mindset that sets them apart. In the UK, a significant number of individuals are actively chasing after their dreams of success, but it's the ones who consistently remain steadfast, establish clear goals, and adhere to a routine who ultimately materialize. Starting a business isn't merely about seeking out the easily accessible cash, as it involves offering something valuable back, continuously acquiring new knowledge, and maintaining a positive outlook, even when a vast majority of people around them appear to be facing difficulties. The true achievement of financial independence arrives when we stop counting on the sensational spotlight moment and bravely plunge right in with well-prepared action plans today. That's precisely when the enjoyable part of our journey begins, believing wholeheartedly in ourselves and our aspirations, and not allowing even the smallest obstacles to stand in our way.